In this video we will see about how to add the color in the web program. So there are color codes are given from 1 to 7. We have to use the color ID from 1 to 7. So we can see the respective color which will get displayed on the screen is as shown in the second columns. Like for the third number, if we use the color ID 3, then that particular word or column will get displayed in the yellow color, and by default it is the background color. If you want to change the font color, then along with the color ID we have to add one additional parameter as inverse on. There is one more parameter as intensified on. You can observe the values here. If you make the intensified on, this is just highlighted. Okay, you can observe this is intensified on and this is intensified off, and this is the inverse, means the font color will come. So we can add the color with two methods. One is with the keyword as color space, and we have to give the color ID from 1 to 7, or second we can like this way, format color. So we'll see what is the difference between a color and a format color. So go to our program. We have our first program. So here we will add first a heading, list of consultants, and let's say add color 5. Activate, execute. So you can see the list of consultant is painted at the top and with the background color as green. This is intensified. If you want to make the intensified off, we can see a little light color. Just copy the same below, and after this we have to add intensified. Just give some short, it will give the suggestion and press tab. When you press tab, this will come here. Type intensified off. If you use the intensified off, we can see the difference in both. Okay, this is more highlighted. Now still it is changed the background color. If you want the font color to be changed, then we have to add one more parameter that is called as the inverse. Let's see, intensified off, and we write here as inverse on. Color 5, let's say intensified on, and let's say inverse on. If you want to change the font color, then use this parameter, like add this keyword that is inverse on. 7, activate, execute. Now you can see for third line the font color was in green, and earlier it was changing the background color. So in this way we can add the color to a particular word, a particular character string. Now what is the impact of the format color? Let's say instead of giving color to individual lines, if you want to add the color codes for a set of records, okay, I'll put this at the top, first one. Let me put at the first line. Okay, so here what I will do, I will add as format color, let's say 3. So if we add the format color, then after that all the lines will have the same color. We don't have to write this color ID at individual till we add the end format or format color off. Okay, so let's see impact of this. So I will write as, here I will be writing the system field as, let's say sci datum. This is for printing the date. I am adding one new line, and I am adding one more write statement, and this time I am printing the username. Okay, still I have not added the format end. Okay, I have added only format color 3 at the top, and I will return some code of lines. 7 activate. Now execute. Now you can see all the text after that is coming into that color. Now our requirement is we want like only for first 2-3 lines the color should be printed and remaining should be kept as it is. So here we have to write format color off. So impact of this, all the text line between the format color on and this off will have this color ID. Execute. You can see the first 2 lines have the color ID. Now let's add a color to our this heading. Here I want to add format color as, let's say we'll go with 7, format color 7, and after this I am adding format color as off. Now see the result. Press this icon, execute. Now we can see the list of consultant because we have added the inverse on. That's why it is showing in the green color as a font. For this we have not used inverse on. That's why the background color is yellow because we have set 3. This is the user ID and the heading I have added a color. So in this way, based on our requirement, if you want to make some beautiful report, so we can make use of color codes. One more option here is we can also use this predefined types like column heading, column normal, column total, like column group, negative, positive. What is that? I will show you. Let's say instead of writing 7, I want to add as just type COL and control plus space. So system will give hint what all options are there which we can use. So let's say here I want to use the heading, column heading. Activate and process. So you can see the column heading color is applied. So in this way we can add a color to our write statements, to the words on the screens. Either we can use the color, we can use the format with the ID, or we can also use the predefined type. And if you want to more help on this, so as I shown in the earlier video, press the cursor on the keyboard and just press F1. If you press F1, the help file will get open and this will give you complete detailed information about that particular keyword. So you can see here the meaning of the addition is same as for the statement format. So like the complete help file you can get here, list using colors. So this will also give the example. You can also execute from here. Here is the execute button. Just click on this. So this will open the ABAP editor. I don't have this data in my system. I don't know if it is printing or okay, yeah, it is printing. So you can see all the rows in different colors. Okay, so also make use of help file. It is very important. It gives a lot of information we sometimes we forget to use in our day-to-day coding. Is very important help file. Similarly, we can use a help file format. Just press the F1. For format also, this will give the complete information what all the parameters which we can use inside the coding. Okay, so make use of this help file. So in this way we done with this session, that is using of color in ABAP program.